So the match is Slovakia and England. So we are supporting Slovakia. Do you know that Slovakia and Czech Republic before were one country? They call it Czechoslovakia. So although Slovakia is no longer part of Czech and they're different country, but we're still supporting Slovakia.
I support
Look.
England.
Look, you support England?
Yeah.
Ay,
Almost.
darling, yeah, I support England. I forgot I'm British. sorry, I forgot I'm British.
I support England.
I support Slovakia
I need to support. Sorry, darling, I forgot I'm British.
Is Slovakia blue?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I forgot.
I support England.
Yeah, of course we have to support England because we are British.
I support Slovakia because I was born in Czechoslovakia.
So you were born at the time when there was no Czech and there was no Slovak.
No.
It was just one country,
Yeah.
Czechoslovakia.
Yeah.
Wow. So your first citizenship was Czechoslovakia.
Yeah.
And then when it was separated, then you belonged to Czech.
Yeah.
And then you became Czech citizen.
Yes.
Oh, that is why you are. But sorry, darling, I cannot really be with you today because I'm a British. Sophia is British. If it's okay, if it's Czech,
No. You
right?
tall enough to get on.
I forgot. I really forgot. Oh no. So wow, go England. Woo, woo.
Go England.
What are you thinking? Oh.
Okay.
Oh. So Slovakia against England, of course, because Japit Boy and Sophia are British, so we support England. And darling,
Slovakia.
Slovakia. Okay. Huh? What?
My close brothers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh no.
Just imagine.
Sophia.
But you could have two citizenship, right, darling? Slovakia and Czech.
No, I was Czechoslovakia. I was automatically a citizen of Slovakia.
Oh, all right, okay. We have also a friend from Slovakia. She came over here. When was that? 5 years ago? Oh, 3 years ago. 4 years ago.
I don't know.
Yana.
I don't know when she came.
Yeah, she came here and yeah, but they speak the same language, right?
No, it's a different language, but we understand each other.
Yeah, they're very similar. I can even understand sometimes.
Really?
No, sometimes, you know.
Oh, you know,
Right.
Auntie Natalie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understood what she was saying.
Okay. Yeah. So time for them for dinner. What is your dinner? Oh,
Yeah.
white bread
Sophia gonna
and
have
egg
bread.
sandwich. Oh, kaligo lang. You try your hair. Yeah.
Cynthia high piano.
And play piano, okay. Before we gonna wrap up your piano.
Yeah.
We still have 4 weeks to go.
Till moving.
To be exact, 4 years ago. Wow, 4 weeks.
Yes, oh my goodness.
4 weeks. 4 weeks more. Okay, take this out. I'm gonna cook this tomorrow.
But I for
Which one do you like? Wings or empty now. Wings or pork shoulder? Pork shoulder. What do you want me to cook this? How to cook this tomorrow? Which you want to be like what? What kind of
Like a 5-star
cooking?
hotel.
5-star hotel cooking style?
Yeah, no, 10 star.
Yeah.
10.
Uh-huh.
No.
10 star.
100 star because for me you are 100 star like that. My cook. Not like Gordon Ramsay could never cook as good as you guys.
Yeah.
Like Gordon.
Bulapit ba? Okay. So, i-defrost ko muna itong karne para bukas ay handa na siyang lutuin. Kasi talagang frozen para ma-thaw Pagising ko bukas umaga, pwede ko rin siyang lutuin. How are you gonna cook it? Dip in egg. And then?
And then you fry. Is it fry?
Oh. Really? Oil. What kind of like French toast? I don't know French toast. Wow. Okay, good luck then.
And ketchup on, right?
Ketchup on?
Yes, ketchup is my favorite.
Ketchup is your favorite.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I look bad. I just took a shower, and I.
Ganun talaga. She did exercise while we were taking a nap. She was doing exercise. Yeah, she's really like good.
Yeah.
I need to be the best at everything, Tata.
Really, that's good. That's good mentality.
But with piano, I'm like, I don't have to be the best. For me, sports is very important.
Yeah. So, but everybody's asking, how about your school grades? Are you also the best in school?
I don't know. We're gonna get our SATs results soon, so like I'll share it with you guys, my SATs results.
Yeah, because here the grading system is not numbers. Unlike in Philippines, it's numbers. For example, 80,
No, but the
85,
SATs will be
90.
on, the reports are on like greater depth and stuff, but the SATs results are on numbers.
Yeah, that's the score.
That's the score, yeah.
Yeah, but the overall, like the grading system, it's not numbers. It's like, what's the grading system? Greater
Greater
depth,
depth.
which is the highest one.
Yeah, then expected,
Expected,
working towards,
working towards,
below expected.
below expected. Wow, score is 2-1. English, England
Is winning.
is 2.
Yeah, come on,
And
England.
Slovakia is 1.
I support England, guys.
And it's overtime. I don't know how many minutes overtime. But I believe England is winning. Darling, sorry.
Yeah.
England is winning, darling.
England.
And,
England.
yeah, England is winning.
Over.
Oh, go England!
went
Of
over.
course. Right? Sorry, darling, yeah? This time, if Czech Republic has match, then
Check. No.
I will support Czech Republic.
So, mommy.
But I think they're out of the league now. Natalo sila, 2 beses out na sila. Wala na sila sa European Football League. Tanggal na sila.
Guys, I'm so excited to move to Czech Republic
Why are you excited?
because
Because
it's just so beautiful there with the family. It feels more like home.
yeah, I know because family is there. Good morning. Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Nakaalis na si Darling Hannah. Today is a general election dito sa England. At dahil ako ay makakaboto na, registered na si Chapit Boy para bumoto. Diyan lang to, malapit lang to sa 5 minutes walk. So pwede akong bumoto ngayon. So dito kasi hindi tao ang iboboto mo kundi yung partido. Yung prime minister ngayon dito ay originally yung nanay and tatay is from India. Pero dito na siya pinanganak. Dito na siya lumaki. Dito nakapag-aral. Naging prime minister. Pangalan niya ay si Rishi Sunak. July 2011, nang dumating ako rito sa England, ang Tory Party, yung Conservative Party, Tories, yung tawag nila rito, yun ang namumuno. Palit-palit ng Prime Minister, pero yung party the same. Kasi yung iboboto mo rito is yung partido. Kung sino yung leader ng partido at kung sino yung nanalo ng partido, siya yung magiging Prime Minister. So today, para maiba naman, boboto tayo ng ibang partido, yung Labour. Yun ang iboboto ko, Labour! Kasi dito, dati nung dumating ako rito sa England, pag emergency, ang waiting time mo sa emergency is 2 hours. So, conservative yun na, tourist party. Hanggang tumagal ng tumagal, umabot ang waiting time dito ngayon pag nasa emergency ka ng 5 hours, minsan 6 hours. Tingnan natin kung magbago. Anyway, aalis naman ako. Kaya lang, baka malay mo, balang araw, babalik ka sa England. Hindi mo alam panahon, di ba? Hindi mo alam sitwasyon. Hello, my baby. This is my baby, Sophia. What's your name?
You just said my name, Sophia.
Yeah, she's preparing to school. So, pero ngayon, how many children in year 6 going to school only?
2, but including me 3.
Why? Explain why.
So one of them, they didn't get accepted to school yet, and another of them, their school transition day is not on that day.
Because today, lahat ng year 6 na going to year 7, going to high school, mayroon silang transition day. Kaya lang si Sophia, hindi kasali doon kasi alam nyo na, ilipat siya sa Czech Republic, di ba? Kaya wala siyang transition day. So, she will stay at school. Only 3 children are staying at school today. Right? Oh, can you please switch off my alarm? So, nakapag-breakfast na siya. Yung kanyang breakfast is yogurt with banana. So, tingnan natin kung may papakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang voting, kung saan i-hold yung voting.
Who's voting?
Magpapalit ng election ngayon, Bingkay. Election
With who?
for Prime Minister
In England.
in England. General election.
People want Rishi Sunak.
I'm not sure.
I heard people hate him. My school, most of the kids say I don't like Rishi Sunak.
I don't hate him. I don't hate anyone. But the policies should be changed. So kung ano yung policy ng party, kung maganda o hindi. So, yan ang maganda dito sa England. Tingnan mo yung policy ng bawat partido. Kung alin sa dalawa ang mas nakakatulong. Marami namang multi-party rito. Kaya lang yung sikat, yung Tories at saka yung Labour. So, for the last 13 years nandito ako, ay Tories palagi ang nananalo. Ang general election dito every 4 years. So, kaya lang palit-palit ng ang isang prime minister, he loses the confidence of the parliament na papalitan. Katulad nung kay Boris Johnson, katulad nung kay Theresa May. Yun, napapalitan sila pag hindi yung nawala yung vote of confidence ng isang kandidato, ng isang leader. Yan ang maganda rin dito. Madali lang palitan yung prime minister pag wala nang tiwala sa kanila yung parliament.
So I don't have packed lunch anymore. Instead I have school dinner now. But to be honest, all the kids, they're talking about how bad the school dinner is. I kind of like it.
You like the food at school?
Yeah?
Yeah. But I'm paying for it.
Yeah, but you said that it's cheaper, and even mommy said that it's cheaper than packed lunch because, like, she has to make, like, the ingredients, she has to cook, and she says, like, she has more sleep, you know, mommy, more rested because she does my lunch, like, a day before or in the morning.
So why don't you bring also Filipino food?
Did I don't know. Why mommy not pack it for me? I don't know. I can't do it myself. I can't do it myself. But like you have to heat it up, you have to put in that container thing, and I don't know where that container thing is.
Okay. Yeah, I always cook Filipino food during the night, and I don't know why you don't bring it when going to school, so you can have lunch for it. So always pasta, spaghetti.
I'm not always eating pasta, guys.
Sandwiches. Right? But it's cool. Is it good?
Yeah.
What did you have yesterday?
I had a roast.
Roast chicken?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
I kind of prefer the curry and
Curry?
yeah, I think on Tuesday we had curry.
Okay. So I'm paying for 12 pounds for 5 days. So Sophia's lunch. So 12 pounds. Monday to Friday, 12 pounds. It's not bad, right?
Yeah, not bad.
On the way sa precinct para bumoto dito sa England, yung lahat ng kasama kong British hindi boboto kasi wala naman daw pagbabago, so wala silang pakialam. Pero dahil ako'y Pinoy, alam niyo na sa atin sa Pilipinas, diba, pag eleksyon talagang bumoboto tayo, nakikipagdigma tayo pagdating sa botohan. So punta tayo doon sa precinct, sa polling station. Tingnan natin kung maraming boboto doon. Polling station. Saan ba ito? Dito. Ang entrance. Saan ang entrance? Guidance hub. Yan, dito. Tingnan nyo, walang pila. Yung mga tao, walang pakialam. Pero, ang alam ko, palagay ko lang, maraming bumoboto na online. Yung pinapadala sa mga address yung balota. So dahil ako wala, malapit nito sa bahay, 5 minutes walk lang to galing sa bahay, kaya buboto tayo rito. Polling station. So ito yung balota, ito yung box nila rito. So ito so kung tayo labor tayo, labor. Merong green, reform, workers, independent, social democratic, liberal, democrat, labor. Ito. Okay. Boto si Japit Boy. Labor si Japit Boy, labor. Tapos na akong bumoto. Labor yung binoto ko para maiba naman. So madali lang, walang kapila-pila, wala ka talagang katao-tao. Pero ang alam ko, gaya nga sinabi ko, ang karamihan sa mga bumuboto, kasi dito sa England, pag ayaw mong bumoto ng personal, pwede kang bumoto, mag-request ka ng balot, ipadala sa iyo yung balot sa bahay mo. Pagkatapos mong bumoto, isend mo uli yung balot, isend mo uli. Tika, saan ba ako pupunta? Mamalingki pala ako. Mamalingki ako, so pupunta ako doon sa Lidl para bibili ng karne ng manok para may lulutuin si Japit Boy at para pagdating Han at Sophia galing sa work, galing sa school, may makain sila para hapunan. Kasi ako panghapon balik trabaho mamaya. So palengke boy si Japit ngayon, palengke boy, ang luto boy.